Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a double crochet. Double crochets are often used in blankets. They work up really quick and they're super easy to learn once you get the hang of it. This is my favorite blanket to make with this stitch. I will put the link down in the comments so that if you guys decide you want to make it, you can as well. For now, let's get to the tutorial. For today's project, you will need weight for acrylic yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, tape measure, and a pair of scissors. So first you're going to tie your yarn to your hook, whether that's with a slip knot or you double knot it to your hook. I prefer double knot in it as I feel it's more secure. Once you have your yarn tied to your hook, you're going to chain 20. Okay, now that you have chained 20, you're going to wrap your hook and insert it into the third chain from your hook. So this loop on your hook does not count as a chain. This is your first, second, third. So take your hook and put it into the third loop. Wrap once more, pull through the first loop, wrap again, pull through the next two, wrap again, pull through the next two. Once more, wrap your hook, put it in the next chain, wrap your hook again, pull through the first one, wrap your hook, pull through the next two, wrap your hook, pull through the last two. You'll do this all the way down your chain. Now that you have finished, you should have 18 double crochets. To start your next row, you're going to chain 2, turn your work. You should see these little boxes on the back. You're going to wrap your hook and insert into the first box. Wrap your hook, pull through those 2 loops. Wrap your hook again, pull through the next 2. Wrap again, pull through the next 2. So when you insert into your box, you want to pick up both loops. So again, wrap your hook, insert into the box, pick up both loops, wrap your hook again, pull through those first 2, wrap your hook again, pull through the next 2, wrap your hook again, pull through the last 2. You'll continue that all the way down this row. Now you have finished your second row. You will repeat the second row until you have a total of 12 rows. So you'll need to do 10 more rows. So chain 2, turn, and double crochet in each box. Once you have completed your 12 rows, you will chain 1, take your scissors, and cut it. You'll want to make sure it's 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. You'll probably do that before you cut it, but I had pre-measured mine. Now you're going to take your tapestry needle and you're going to weave in your ends. You'll want to insert your hook near the knot, but not into the knot because it'll make it come undone. You'll weave your needle in between your stitches. You don't want to be able to see it on the front or the back side. Now take your scissors and cut close to the surface. Don't cut your project or yourself. Then you will stretch your project out a little bit to make sure that your weaved in pulls into your stitch and isn't just fraying out on the surface. You'll do that with the other side as well. I hope you guys enjoyed making this square and learning this stitch. If you finished your square, please tag me in any of these social medias. I would love to see how they turned out. If you would like to continue making these squares, please subscribe or follow me on any of my social medias and I will keep you guys up to date. I hope you had fun today and I'll see you guys on the next video.